Mamma Mia the Muse, children of the old world.
Soir, tu te ressouviens? Non, ça va quand même bien.
I got my feet in the soil, I'm grounded. My energy is just flowing, wind blowing, my mind pristine. The queen sitting in my seat, but it's okay because I'm royal even if my clothes look raggedy. Dirt, grime, that's where I thrive. A diamond in the rough, note more like a pearl formulating. The bacteria slipped in, I'm in the ocean, just flowing, constantly growing. It's emotion that you see. The gods is back, that's a fact attack. Stronger than ever, we got the potion of resurrection. It's an infection, a virus of the mind, I'm going insane. Then I stop to breathe, smell the roses, they're unfolding just like me. I climbed the stem, got poked by a thorn just to tap in, Shay knee. Yeah, that's me, full of secrets, the mystery's quite potent. It's a small explosion, it's imploding. Heart whispering quietly, call Rez. He got the master teachers in the form of cactus. It's just practice, energy overactive. It's the spider that creates this magic that you see.